Yes students, we are back now. In this session, we'll discuss chapter 4 from your English LIT. I hope and believe that you are ready with your books. If not, kindly go and bring your books, sit with a pencil so that you can mark the hard words wherever necessary. This chapter is very interesting in the sense that Newtonian nuances. Okay, understand the meaning of Newtonian. After reading this, don't you understand that something like Newton se related hoga? Something will be related with Newton and Newtonic. Okay, so we'll study about Newton. We'll go to his world. Absolutely. Okay, and then nuances means fine details or subtleties. Okay, that is known as nuances. Okay, so what is Newtonian nuances? In this chapter we will understand that there are certain 6 children are there. Okay, क्या होता है? There is an island. Okay, the name of the island out here it is given. It is Gondwana. Okay, check it out. This island is there. Okay, Gondwana Island. Okay, this is an evil island. एक what you say that शैतानी island है. Okay, this island comes out from the sea. समुद्र से ऊपर आता है. Understood? And this island can only be put inside the water, sea water, if you have a key. अगर आपके पास एक चाबी है. Understood? If you have this key, this magical key, only then you can put this island inside the water. Understood? If this island नहीं जाता है, if this island doesn't go inside the water, then what will happen? The island will destroy the earth. Understood? Demons and devils will come out from this island and then they will destroy this world. बात समझ में आया? So this is an island. Okay, so there are 6 children, those who are mission. 6 children are there, जिनका mission है कि you have to find the parts. 6 parts of this keys are there. इस चाबी के ना 6 टुकड़े हैं. Okay, 6 parts. Okay, it is there. And the 6 parts दुनिया के different कोने में रखे गए हैं. And there are 6 children जो इस 6 पार्ट को इकट्ठा करेगा. They will find them and then they will make a key together and then they will put this island inside the water. Concept understood? So now one part of this key is with Newton. Newton के जमाने में एक पार्ट न्यूटन के पास है. So students, all the 6 children as you can see, ये सारे न्यूटन के एज में जाएंगे. Like you have seen a Doraemon, anywhere door खोलता है और डोरेमोन कहीं भी पहुंच जाता है. Doraemon reaches anywhere. Similarly, out here also, these children they will go into the world of Newton and they will collect that part of the key. उससे वो टुकड़ा लेगा और वो लोग उस की को जोड़ेगा and then they will put this island inside. Interesting, no? So let's see what happens. Okay, so we'll start. See, let's start from this part. Okay, page number 26. You can see they have reached into the world of Newton. This was much more airy room. The curtains were open and they saw the heaps of books and the papers that cluttered his desk, all the other surfaces. At the lower end of the room away from the window was another table cluttered with small bottles filled with various chemicals. Okay, now what happened? They reached into the world of Newton. What did they see? There were papers and papers all over. There were heaps of books also. Understood? Like Newton का study room में आ गए थे. Understood? And they also saw that there were small bottles of chemicals. Understood? Like Newton used while he had to study those chemicals. Okay, वो chemistry में पढ़ता था. Clear? Now, Axis. One boy is there. His name is Axis. AXXISS. His name is Axis. Okay. Now, who is this boy? This boy was the one. Okay, who goes to Newton. Okay, 6 में से पहला वाला boy है. He is Axis. Okay, Axis knew that in his middle years Newton had begun more about alchemy and mystical subjects, including the analysis of the Bible and the papers represented his ongoing work. Now Newton was always like totally devoted in studies. Okay, so what happened was that Newton, Axis को पता था that Newton used to study chemistry also. Alchemy means chemistry, related to chemistry. Okay, chemical objects. And mystical. Understood? Mystical means very different from the total world. Understood? उसके बारे में भी न्यूटन पढ़ता था and Newton used to always study about Bible also. तो ये जो पेपर दिख रहा था in the Newton's room was all related to that. Okay. Now next paragraph you see. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Understanding properly. Okay, I am going very slowly. I am explaining everything in board and then we are going. We are not rushing. Okay, I guess you have understood. Next part you see. Newton went to his desk and sat there. They faced them in a row as he studied them with curiosity and wonder of a scientist unraveling a secret. Everybody दिल थाम के सारे बच्चे खड़े थे. They were looking that Newton कब वो चाबी का टुकड़ा निकालेगा. Newton will give them. Okay, so they were standing there. And Newton, he sat. He was very serious. Scientists लोग कैसे होते हैं? He was very serious. Okay, talking very less. Okay, so Newton comes. He was very tall and big. Okay, having hairs. And so सारे बच्चे उसे ऐसे करके देख रहे थे. Understood? Everybody was looking at them. Now what happened was that everybody was waiting that when he will unravel, कब वो secret को खोलेगा. About 14 years ago, a young man approached me when I was visiting friends in Grantham. Newton said, more to himself than to any one of them. ऐसा लग रहा था that Newton was talking to himself only, more to himself and not to anyone else. So what happened was that Newton was standing and Newton was in his room and he was pretending as if he was talking to him only. Okay. Now he was saying that आज से 14 साल पहले, before 14 years, one man came to me when I was visiting my friends in Grantham. Grantham में जब गया था, एक आदमी आया था and he came to me and he had said this to me. Okay, Newton अपने में ही बोल रहा था, सारे बच्चे उसे सुन रहे थे ऐसे ध्यान से. Everybody was looking at him. Now next paragraph. He told me that at some time in the future, a boy would come to collect what he was about to give me to keep in safe custody for him. He handed me an object and said that before I passed it on, I would have to recognize a piece of music. He then hummed a few bars and for some strange reason, the tune entered into my head and remained there like an irritant. Okay, now see what happened. Now that man came to Newton. Newton was saying, ये बता रहा था कि एक man had come and he had given me a piece of thing, वो की का टुकड़ा, and he said that in future a boy will come to you, understood, and he will take this piece of key from you and you have to give it to that boy. How will you understand that boy? कौन उस boy को कैसे पहचानोगे जिसको ये की देना है? बहुत सारे boy आ सकते हैं. Now उस आदमी ने न्यूटन को ये भी बताया, he also said that to Newton that जो बच्चा आपके पास आएगा, he will bring a musical note. वो एक note, एक मतलब what you say that, a piece of song. Okay, he will hum. वो एक गाना गाएगा and ये tune जो मैं गा रहा हूँ, ये बच्चा वही गाएगा और उसी बच्चे को आपको ये की का टुकड़ा देना है. Understood? And then that man started singing a piece of note. समझ में आया? कुछ गाना गाया होगा like that. Okay, that man might have sing. So when that man sung that, okay, और न्यूटन को सुना है कि यही गाना सुनो and यही song future में one boy will come and he will sing it to you. Okay, so then man started singing and न्यूटन के दिमाग में वो musical tone strike कर जाता है. It strikes Newton's brain and Newton remembers that musical tone very firmly. Okay, and then what happened was that it remained like an irritant करने वाला जैसा, it's fixed in my mind. Of course it is related to my study of optics and musical notes. Newton musical notes के बारे में पढ़ता था, so it said that I know it is about my musical notes. Now the young lady has played exactly those notes that he hummed for me. I don't claim to understand how all this has happened. Now what happened? One girl, out of this girl, one girl, okay, she had played the same musical note जो उस आदमी ने न्यूटन को बताया था कि कोई बजाएगा और उस बच्ची ने वही म्यूजिकल नोट सेम टू सेम बजाया. And Newton understood that how come that same note which that man had told me, this girl is also playing the same note. I'm not understanding how is this things happening, Newton is saying. Understood? Now, can you describe the man? Axis asks. Now, Axis asks that, can you describe about that man जिसने आपको ये गाना गा के सुनाया था और आपको चाबी दिया था? Can you describe about that man? Then Newton said, a quiet man with a soft, calm voice. He was dressed even as I was in that day. So he was in his late 30s, possibly older, with an unremarkable face but a gentle smile. And he was more courteous. He also warned me that dark forces would try to obtain his gift and I was to be very careful. Newton reached across his desk. What a better place to hide a secret than out in that open. Now what happened was that that man, he said that man was very soft spoken, जिसने न्यूटन को चाबी दिया था. He was very soft spoken, he was very quiet, he was calm and he was wearing a simple dress only. Okay, and that man, he spoke very quiet, very calmly, आराम से बोलता था. Okay, and that man has said that take this key and keep this key very safely. Dark forces, kala jadoo, understood, can come and seize this key from you. Understood? कोई इसे छीन सकता है काला जादू आपसे. So please don't give it to anyone. Keep it very safely. So Newton what he did, he had kept that piece of key under his study table. Study का जो desk होता है ना, desk के अंदर drawer के अंदर he had kept that part of key. Understood? Next part. They thought he was reaching a quill, but his hand stretched further for a pile of papers. A weight of dull colored piece of metal in the shape of a triangle held them down. It was about the size of a man's palm. He picked it up and passed it on to Axis. Now what happened? Newton opened the desk, he stretched his hand and he brought that part of key. It was a big part. एक टुकड़ा था, understood? मैंने बताया की का 6 टुकड़ा था. So out of this one part, it was big. एक like a man's palm, आपके हथेली जैसा बड़ा. Understood? It was big. Understood? Like a man's palm, he picked it and gave it to Axis. उसने वो Axis को दिया. Axis took it almost cautiously. ध्यान से लेता है Axis. Axis takes it very cautiously. He was disappointed. He had expected something more complex than this light that he had held. Okay. So Axis thought that कुछ अजीब ही चीज होगा. But it was such a dull kind of a thing. एक metal का मतलब मेटल का एक पार्ट था. सो एक्सेस थॉट क्या अजीब चीज दे रहा है. इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ की. नाउ इट वाज स्किल्ली स्मूथ, द एजेस वेर ब्लंट. इट वाज अ स्मूथ थिंग, एजेस वेर ब्लंट. ब्लंट मींस नुकीले नहीं थे, बहुत ब्लंट थे. ओके. बट इट वार्म्ड हिज पाम्स एज इफ ही वाज ग्रीटिंग हिम. बट जैसे वो पकड़ा, इट वाज वार्मिंग हिज पाम. बहुत गर्माहट महसूस हो रहा था. एंड इट वाज फीलिंग वेरी गुड. अंडरस्टूड? He passed it to others who examined it with equal disappointment. They wanted something far more exciting and intricate, not a flat piece of metal. So Axis then gave it to other friends. Everybody took it. What is this? Understood? They were not happy. They thought something बहुत interesting देगा न्यूटन. न्यूटन ने क्या दिया ये? इसी के लिए हम लोग आए इतने दूर. Understood? I am glad to be rid of it, Newton said. It was haunted me for many years. I don't know what secrets it hold. It is a very strange metal. So Newton said that thank God मैंने इसका झमेला ये बला टली. I have given it to someone. Now I am not going to fear out of it. अब मेरा दिमाग से ये झमेला गया. ले लो ये metal. Take it. It has haunted me. ये मुझे डरा के रखा था सालों साल तक. Understood? पता नहीं what secret does it hold. I don't know what secret इसमें है ये छोटे से भद्दे टुकड़े में. Understood? Metal के टुकड़े में. I don't know what it holds, but it has haunted me for years. It is a strange metal. Nothing I tried I can change its shape. Newton said that I had tried to change its shapes. उसको तोड़ने मरोड़ने का बहुत कोशिश किया, but ये shape कभी change नहीं हुआ. Understood? I heated it. उसे गर्म किया गया. I froze it. उसे जमाया गया बर्फ जैसा. It was frozen. And even it is used for great forces to bend. And I had used much force to bend it. But वो ज्यों क्या तो रह गया. It did not change. Okay? It yielded to nothing. Nothing happened. And it is unchanged. Okay, it did not change its shape only. There is a ridge along one side, as you will see. What does it do? It is a key that will lock and open, that had been opened, Axis said, but it's only a part of a key. Okay, now it is asked, what you will do with this? Newton asked it to the boy. What you will do with this? भद्दे से metal से क्या करोगे? Then the boy said that this is one part of the 6 part of a key that we are searching. With this, we can put this evil island inside. Understood? If we join all the parts of a key. And then Newton asked, where are the other parts? बाकी हिस्से कहाँ हैं फिर? Then he said that we do not know yet. हमें खुद भी नहीं पता कहाँ है. But we are searching. Where is the magical lock? Newton asked that where is the lock? ताला कहाँ है चाबी का? Understood? Then the boy said that. Then the boy Axis narrated the whole story, and even to his ear sounded unreal and surreal. And everything sounded very surreal. Surreal means which is not realistic. बनावटी story लग रहा था. Understood? Newton stood and walked. Now Newton stood up. वो बैठा हुआ था. Newton stood up and moved around the door. वो door से बाहर जाने के लिए खड़ा हो गया. May I ask a question, sir? Dice said this when he went out. Then what happened? One of his friend, another boy, his name was Dice. D-Y-C-E. Okay. So he said that, sir, shall I ask you one question? Newton said that, of course you may. आप पूछ सकते हैं. Understood? Then he said that, is it true that you discovered gravity through an apple falling on your head? Remember that? So he is asking that, do you have absolutely discovered gravity? Gravity के बारे में आपने apple सर पे गिरने के बाद then you discovered it. You have heard that story, no? that Newton had discovered about gravity after the apple fell on his head when he was sleeping? Okay, so that one asked that question. An apple on my head, he chuckled. Chuckle means laughed like that. Okay, so Newton laughing that no, nothing like that. An apple. It is not the apple, but is that what you have been taught, that great discoveries are made through apples. So यही आपको बताया गया है that apple से हमने discover किया. Nothing like that. No dear, it is not like that. It was through observations of falling and not rising and through deeply subject to the gravity. I thought that not of the apple but something, when it fell on my head and it fell down, why did not it rise above? वो सब कुछ गिरता ही क्यों था, ऊपर क्यों नहीं जाता था कुछ? So I thought on this more and then I discovered about gravity. So everybody started laughing on this and then the chapter comes to an end. Now students, we are coming with the question answers in the next session. Okay, in the next part. Sit with your copies and go through it. Yes students, we are back with the question answers of the same chapter, Newtonic nuances. So the first part A, Newton had retired from work. It is false. Axis and dice had travelled back in time. It is true. Newton had been expecting his guests. That is true. And then fourth one will be false, and similarly fifth one is also true. Next, part B, answer the questions in brief. Who was Axis and Dice? Axis and Dice are the two among the 6 teenagers who travel in time to gather the 6 parts of a key that will help them get rid of an evil kingdom, and the name of the kingdom was Gondwana. Okay, evil kingdom, I told you. Number 2, who are they in the Newton's room? They are in the Newton's room because Newton, okay, was given one of the 6 parts of the key. The children have come to him to collect this part. I told you na 6 parts में से एक part Newton के पास था and they have come to collect that part. Number 3, what is the metal triangle to a key? The metal triangle is one of the 6 parts of the key that will help rid of the earth of an evil kingdom called Gondwana before it destroys the earth. Okay. The fourth one, why was the secret out in the open? How was it hidden? The secret that in the key was out in the open because Newton believed that the best and the most unsuspicious way to hide a secret was to leave it out in the open. अजीब मेटल था, so उसको ओपन में रखा गया so that no one suspects that it is a very like important element. Okay, so उसे खुले में छोड़ दिया. जितना छुपाओगे ना, people will think that इसमें कुछ गड़बड़ है. Then they will come to like steal it. If you keep it in open, then no one comes. So Newton had done that. Okay. Number 5. How was Newton able to recall the musical piece? Newton was able to recall the musical piece because a old lady from among the teenagers, okay, a young lady from among the teenagers played the exact notes as was hummed to Newton by a stranger previously. Remember the tones, okay? Number 6. When do you think Newton spoke more to himself than any of them? Newton spoke it so differently because he was narrating the incident which took place long back years ago. He was too recalling it to himself. Now the 7th one, there is a diagram, no? So you have to do it. So does it seem? Yes, I have written, and then the color is dull and years old. You can draw a picture also. The piece is given out here. Okay, you can see it. Number 8, Newton describes the man who handed him the key. Okay, so you have to draw a picture. If you want, you can draw a picture also. Newton describes the man as quiet man who had soft calm voice. He assumes the man was in his 30s or older, 30 या 40 साल का था. Newton recalls the man as having an unremarkable face, like he cannot recall, and then he had a gentle smile. He also resembles the man was very courteous. Courteous means like very soft spoken and very good people. Okay, that kind of a person. Next, these are the answers which you have to discuss with your partner, and then you have to do. Okay, all these questions and the answers have been duly provided in the link which is there in the description box. You will go and you can copy the links from there also. Okay, few questions have been discussed here. Same questions are there in the link also. You can download the link and write as per your feasibility. Okay, students, so we have discussed the question answers of this chapter. Till then, take care and we'll meet up in the next session. Thank you.